Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pundix. In my last video, I was telling you that the price line of pundix is dropped at the support of a very big descending triangle on the weekly time frame. Right now, after a very small move, we are again dropped at the same support. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal move from here, or we are really breaking down the support. But before I start this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that previously we had this very strong support at $2. The price line had a nice bounce from here, from $2, and broke it down and entered in this triangle, and also this $2 became a very strong resistance for the price line. And you can see that we have tested this $2 resistance here in the month of May 2021. Then we again moved down, and then for several weeks the price line has been trying to break it out but could not break it out. And also with this move, it was also forming a downtrend line resistance as well. And then again in the month of October 2021, we had another attempt, and in November 2021 we have another attempt. And after several attempts, the price line moved down. Here, by the way, we were testing this downtrend line resistance to break it out, but could not break it out. And at the same time, the price line was not able to break out this weekly EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 resistance, and also the 10 as well. Both moving averages are working as a very strong support resistance, and now the price line is dropped down at the support once again. We dropped here, we again drop here. Right now, for example, if we will have reversal, then it can be a formation of a double bottom, because we first dropped here on 10th of January, then we moved again, and now if the price line will be reversed from here, then it can be a powerful reversal from here. That will because that will be a kind of double bottom formation as well. However, we are sloping down because this support is at 83 cents. And even in the previous past history, we have been watching that we had long spike here, we had long spike here, but the price line could not break it down. So it is possible, because this candlestick is not closed, and even the daily candlestick is not closed below this support so far. Therefore, a reversal move is possible that can lead the price line to re-enter in this triangle. And within this triangle, the price line has also found another resistance before the resistance of this triangle. And if we switch to the daily time frame, then it will be more visible for us. This is another resistance, and you can see that after this rejection on 18th of November 2021, the price line is not able to reach up to this rejection line, this bigger resistance line, because it has found another resistance, and the movement is getting squeezed and more squeezed. And if we connect all these candlesticks, then here we have the formation of another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. Sorry, the support is coming from here. Here we have several touch points at the support, and right now the price line is moving down to touch the support of the falling wedge. For example, if the movement will be continued and it will break down on the daily time frame, this support of the bigger triangle, then this support will be another hope for the price reversal. Because if we switch back to the weekly time frame, then here we had a very strong bearish move in the month of June 2021, when all the market was moving down. But the price line recovered back, and we had a very big rally from this support to this resistance. You can see this was more than 170% big rally. And if we take a look at the stochastic, it was moving up from the oversold zone on the weekly time frame. Right now we are again extremely oversold. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.